try to save in dollar rather than naira. As at the time you're going to be withdrawing that money in the future, at least it will be at the same market price. Don't have the mentality that you need to break the bank to have fun or be happy, because the truth is you don't. You don't enter university with the mindset of, oh, everybody's annoying, I beg, I want to be alone, I want to be on my own. It is for an exam. Some people can cram the whole book, they stay up all night, and it works for them. I don't think I have ever had to stay up all night. It is never too early to start building connections. Hi love, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just in case you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Grwm. I am a makeup artist, amongst other things. Do my makeup with me while I tell you 5 mistakes that I made in the university that I wish I knew earlier on. And I'm putting this video out in the hopes that it also helps somebody out there as well. So it is never too early to start building connections. See, that business you're looking to start or that job opportunity you're looking for will not just fall from heaven. God is going to use people to bless you. Have you ever met those people that when you just tell them about your situation, they're like, oh, I know a guy. Or they will know a guy that knows a guy. They shall know a guy. They always know a guy. It's not nice to be around those kind of people or have those kind of people as company. Now imagine that was you. Like you have everybody you need to know at your beck and call. And let's be honest, especially if you live in Nigeria, it is so hard to do anything these days without connection. So that coursemate that is annoying might be the one to give you update on an impromptu test, or that your electrical engineering roommate that you feel like you will never need in this life might actually be the one to fix your socket or your fan. Hear me out. Even that person that you feel like, oh, she talks too much, he talks too much, that person might be a walking social media marketer for your business. So build your connections and build them right. The second one, which I realized quite late, is know yourself and the order of your priorities. What I mean by that is, for some people, what comes first for them is their relationship. For some others, it's the business that they are running, while some is the course that they came to school to do. Now, there might be different things that you are doing in school, but what comes first for you? What are your priorities? Like in that list, in that order, you should have that at the back of your mind. I'm that girl that 1 month into the semester, you'd already see me reading. Not because I like reading, but I already know that I'm very forgetful at times. So I have to start reading on time just to meet up. Some people will see me and say, oh, Rosenta the student, Agbad reader, Jackie Apia, what have I not heard? The truth is, I put those measures in place because I know the kind of person I am. I can be very forgetful at times. I cannot change that. Okay, what do? I put in measures to help myself for my own benefits. Now, I don't need to explain that to any other person. It's only supposed to make sense to just you, not any other person. It is for an exam. Some people can cram the whole book, they will stay up all night, that's their vibe and it works for them. But that's not my person. In fact, throughout my university days, I don't think I have ever had to stay up all night. Some people see me and be like, oh, she doesn't know what she's doing, she's unserious. Maybe when I'm sleeping, a day to my exam or something like that. In the midst of all the chaos, I will still be calm. Why? I know what I'm doing and I know why I'm doing what I'm doing. So know what works for you, understand yourself, understand your priorities, and you just see how things will work better. Look for a way, know yourself, understand yourself, and put in measures that work for you. If you're the kind of person that crams a day to the exam, fine, very good. In fact, I'm happy for you. But if you're not, and in any other situation, just understand yourself and you know how to work it out. The third point is, be genuine about your friendships. Don't always be that friend that wants to receive but never gives. Like, why? And I'm not just talking about material things. I'm also talking about, showing up mentally for your friend. Are you that kind of friend? I will not come here and lie to you. University is very hard and can be very tough at times. Sometimes you even feel like giving up. But what makes it doable and bearable is the fact that, oh, okay, you have 1 or 2 people who you can just complain about something that happened, and they would actually relate very well to what you are going through because they're in the same predicament. Let me give you a scenario. Now imagine carrying a brick from one point to another alone, and then imagine doing it. Let's say 3 people join to carry that brick. There's going to be a weight that's lifted off your shoulders a bit, to some extent. Don't lie. It will feel more lighter and it will feel more comforting. Even if the brick is still heavy, you'll be like, at least all of us is somewhere together. So don't enter university with the mindset of, oh, everybody's annoying, I beg, I want to be alone, I want to be on my own. Because honestly, What makes university easier is the fact that you have people to rely on at times. Keep an open mind to making good friends and actually being able to keep them. The fourth thing is make memories. Can I overemphasize this enough? It honestly doesn't have to be something very extravagant like that. It can just be movie nights with your friends, pizza, some popcorn, drinks, You can decorate the room or not. Whatever it is you do, I don't know who I'm talking to, but go for that dinner event, go for that church event, take strolls, bro. Check out your field. Sometimes don't just stay indoors. I honestly wish I went out more often, but it is what it is. There are some places you even go to around your school and be like, ha, so this kind of place exists in this school. And again, don't have the mentality that you need to maybe break the bank to have fun or be happy, because the truth is you don't. Just find the little things that are within your reach, within your capacity, between you and your friends, and try to do some things. If you can do something big, fine. Try and make memories, because your future self will be glad you did. The last on my list, if you can, have a side hustle. Whether or not you're going to further your side hustle when you leave school doesn't really matter, because I put it to you that no knowledge or experience that you gain in this life self is ever a waste. Somehow it's going to be helpful for you in the long run. The funny thing is you don't necessarily have to go outside of your niche. What I mean by that is outside of the course you are studying. Take for example, you are a computer science student or a computer engineering student. You can decide to branch into web development services, graphic designing, things that relate to what you are studying. And let's be frank, so many people don't like doing their projects themselves or whatever. When I was writing one of my projects in school, when I was using my laptop, I was like, so this kind of things my laptop. So my laptop can do this kind of things. Some people don't even know what they have. They don't know the value of what they have. And if you're good with laptop, I mean, why not turn into a business? Just my opinion. Or take for instance, you are a medical student who is very confident in what you are studying. You can start to do similar stuff to what Apoko Doctor does. Maybe give hygiene tips, health tips relating to men and women, or things like disease and infection awareness. Those kind of things, people are going to appreciate those kind of things. Just set up a TikTok or YouTube page and it just might work. Whether you're selling services or your goods, there's this fulfillment and joy that comes from knowing that I'm a student, yet I can still make a little money for myself. It is really, really nice and can be very helpful as well in the long run. There's nothing like too much money. Let me even tell you a secret here. One of the best and easiest place to market your business or to market your service, trying to convert a large audience in a small amount of time, is a school. If you know what you're doing and you're able to connect with the right network, I know that I said 5, but I am giving this out as a bonus and I actually feel it's equally important. Save realistically. What this basically means is do where your power reach. You get. Take for example, your allowance is 100k a month. Don't try to save 50% when you know that you cannot actually do that. Okay, if it's 10% or 20% you are able to bring out from that money, that's fine. Because the truth is, when you're about to leave university, there's this extra pressure that comes with, what am I going to do next? What is next? Both from external and from yourself. You begin to question yourself, you begin to question your decisions and your future actually. After school, what's next for me? But having that financial savings aside just gives you more leverage, and it doesn't just propel you to do anything after school. You are actually more reasonable than desperate because you have something, aside. Again, please, I do recommend that if you're going to be saving money, try as possible, especially for those people that live in Nigeria. Try your best to save in dollar rather than naira, as at the time you're going to be withdrawing that money in the future, at least it will be at the same market price. Okay, I use the piggyvest feature and it works for me. You can also check it out. Oof. Well, I have come to the end of this video. I feel like my makeup ate. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Subscribe, hit that notification button for more informative videos like this. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also share to friends, colleagues who might find this video helpful as well. My name is Rosental. I am a makeup artist amongst other things. Till I see you in my next video, do take care. Bye.